Hello and welcome to another tutorial in this programming in Java series. So in this program we will be taking a look at how we can calculate the area, circumference and diameter of a circle from its radius. So for the sake of this tutorial we are taking the radius as r. We are storing the radius in a variable called r, and we know that the area of the circle is calculated using the formula pi into r square, where the value of pi can be either given as 3.14 or you can enter it simply as 22 divided by 7. For simplicity I recommend keeping it as 3.14, and the diameter of the circle is 2 times the radius and the circumference is 2 multiplied by the value of pi multiplied by the value of the radius. So now let us take a look at the program code. So this is a relatively short and simple program, and as the matter we are dealing with is quite an easy one. So we are taking the value of the radius as a double figure, because the radius may be a fractional value, it may not necessarily be a integer value. So we are taking the value of the radius as a double value. So now we are accepting the value of the radius using the scanner class, and using the scanner class we are accepting the value using the next double command. So as we are taking the value of the radius as a double value, we are accepting the value using the next double command. Had the value of radius been an integer value, we would have used the next in command as we had discussed in the previous tutorial. So in the following line we are just calculating the diameter from the radius by multiplying the value of the radius with 2. In the next line we are calculating the circumference of the circle by using this formula, that is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. Here the value of pi is being taken as 22 by 7. I recommend using a bracket to include the value of 22 by 7. So once it is done, we are then moving onward and finding the area of the circle, and for area we are taking 3.14 multiplied by the square of the radius. So let us calculate the values in this program. So we are saving the program first and then we are running it. So let me enter the value of the circle's radius as 6. So the diameter is 12, the circumference of the circle is 36, and the area of the circle is 113.04. So this concludes this tutorial. Take care everybody, and happy coding to all of you.